Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here I am going to solve this reading for your help. So those who are going to appear in this IELTS exam, definitely they will get benefit from this video. That reading, how I am solving it, please just note it down and do practice with me. So this reading was part of 11th July IELTS exam that was held in India and around country. So it may possible that some different kind of reading may be there. You can text me the reading name also, I will solve it. So let's do this reading. Should space be explored by robots or humans? Okay, so for this question, for this reading passage, we have list of headings, we have multiple choice question, we have fill in the blanks. Complete the summary with the help of there is no list of, so we have to find it from the passage only. I will start my reading from list of heading. So we have list of heading. First, read the instructions carefully. Questions 28 to 23. Reading passage has 6 paragraphs A to F. Choose the correct heading for each paragraph from the list of heading. So list of heading. So correct number is in answer sheet in front of these questions, 28, number 29 and all. You have to write this kind of number series, this series, okay, not 1 2 3, then it will be considered as wrong. Okay, so how to do this list of heading? Definitely you have to read these headings one by one, try to understand its meaning, and one or two keywords from these headings. And another method is there. First you read the paragraph and then come to the options. If you are comfortable in that method, definitely you can go. But I will read all the options first and then read the paragraph. I will go to each paragraph after reading these headings and understand. I will read a paragraph and then go to the options again, try to match the options with this paragraph. Okay, so one by one we will read the paragraph. Now before that, let's read and understand all the options. So first says robots on earth. Okay, robots on earth, re-evaluation. Okay, second is the barriers, some limitations to cooperation in space exploration, some limitations of robots in space. Okay, reduced expectation for space exploration, a general consideration of human or robot responsibility in space, problems in using humans for space exploration. Some problems are there. Okay, the danger to humans of intelligent machines. Okay, space settlement and development of greater self-awareness. Ninth is possible examples, means future kind of thing is there. Examples of cooperation in space, possible examples, some suggestions may be there. So for some suggestion for future, may be possible that in paragraph will kind of thing, could kind of thing may be there, and would also they may be using. So if these words are there, definitely they are talking about possible solution, possible examples of anything. Okay, now let's go to a paragraph. Read it with me. I will show you the question also, I will show you the paragraph also. Let's do it with me. So this is the paragraph and you can do it. Okay, you can do it, and let's read the paragraph. This is full paragraph, I am showing it to you. Okay, now read it. For you, pause the screen and read it. I am also doing it with you. Of course, those who are saying that with reading only 2 sentences, definitely out of 6 paragraphs you will get 2 or 3 answers by reading first 3-4 sentences. So that the advisability of humans practicing directly in space travel continues to cause many debates. There is no doubt that if you can understand this first sentence, definitely you will get some option. But I will read it. I am not too intelligent. There is no doubt that the presence of people on board a space vehicles, which makes it design much more complex and challenging, and produces a large increase in cost, since safety requirements are greatly increased and the technology providing necessities for human passengers such as this and this must be guaranteed. Moreover, the systems required are bulky and costly, and their complexity increases long duration missions. Meanwhile, advances in this and this. So what they are talking about? So they are talking about the humans participating directly in space travel continues to cause many problems. Means problems are facing by many human astronauts and all while going to space mission. So I have understood because of this these are the problems they have explained it. Okay, so let's match it. Robots on Earth, no, they are not talking about any robots. The barriers to cooperation in space exploration, no cooperation kind of thing is there in this paragraph. Some limitations of robot, no, they are not talking about any robot. Reduce expectation for space exploration, any expectation? No. Okay. Problems in using humans for space exploration. Yes, problems they are talking about complex, challenging, increase in cost, so many things they have given, and bulky and costly also. And last line also you can read, meanwhile advances in electronic computer science allow increasingly complex tasks to be robots. So many things, but here in full paragraph if you just look at this, they are talking about human beings, how they are facing problems in using humans for space exploration. I will just mark it with, so I have just done it 6 number with A number paragraph. Now coming to B paragraph, I will show it full, please do read it with me. Now again, however, experience has shown that the idea of humans in space is popular with the public. Humans can also be useful. There are many cases when only direct intervention by an astronaut or the humans can also be useful. Example, they are talking cosmonaut can correct the malfunction of an automatic device. Astronauts and cosmonauts have proved that they can adapt to condition of weightlessness and work in space without encountering too many problems, as was seen in operations to repair and upgrade the hull. Okay. So they are praising human being that they are working, they can work with automatic device, means machine kind of thing. And let's read it, the last one also. This is especially important in the case of deep space missions, while in the case of moon it is possible for someone on Earth to teleoperate a robotic device such as probe instructions. So sending instructions from Earth is more difficult. So I think what I have understood from this paragraph, you can read it within 1 minute. Okay, that they are saying that they are helping these, they can correct malfunction of an automatic device. It means they are more helpful than these devices. Okay, robots on Earth, no. Barriers to cooperation in space exploration, so no. Barriers they are not talking. Some limitations of robots in space, some limitations lacking in this may be possible, but let's read other options. Reduce expectation for space exploration, expectation were not there. General consideration of human or robot responsibility, problem in using this we have done. The danger to humans of intelligent machines, space settlement, development of greater, nothing is there. Possible examples, this is also not given. So what we can go? So here lacking in robots, maybe they may be talking about some limitations of robots in space. See this, one human characteristic which is particularly precious in space missions. So here these are the characteristics that astronauts and cosmonauts can handle anything about machines. Which is particularly precious in space missions, which so far is lacking in robots, is the ability to perform a great variety of tasks. In addition, robots are not good at reacting to situations when they have not specifically prepared for. So it means these lines are talking about limitations of robots. And now see, the bigger paragraph is there, and how we have got the answer from the middle part of the paragraph. Not from reading first 2-3 sentences, not from reading last 2-3 sentences. When we have read the center part of the paragraph, here we have got the answer. Okay, so this is some limitations of robots. So for B number paragraph it is 3 number. Okay, this also we have done. Now coming to 4th C number paragraph, let's read it. Many of the promises of artificial intelligence are still far from being fulfilled. Okay, the construction of machines. Okay, let's move to next page. So let's read it. Many of the promises of artificial intelligence are still far from being fulfilled. The construction of machines simulating human logical reasoning moves towards ever distant dates. So are still okay. The more the performance of computers improves, the more we realize how difficult it is to build machines which display logical abilities. In the past, it was confidently predicted that we would soon have fully automated factories in which all operations were performed without any human intervention, and forecast of the complete substitution of workers by robots in many. But today, these perspectives are being revised. Means in past these were the prediction, but till now we haven't got any situation. Today these perspectives are being revised. It seems that all machines, even the smartest one, must cooperate with humans. Rather than replacing humans, the present need appears too far. Intelligent machine capable of helping human operator without replacing. Okay, so now they are talking about the actual thing that AI, artificial intelligence, have not done anything for fully operational factories and all. Let's find the option. Robots on Earth re-evaluation. Robots on Earth. I think they are talking about this, but let's read other options. Barriers to cooperation. No, space was not there. Here also they are talking space. No. General consideration of human robot responsibility in space. Here also space word is there. It means no. Problems in using humans for space exploration. Nothing. The danger to humans of intelligent machines. So seventh, everywhere in every option space, but in this paragraph there was no space. So only first and seventh. Now decide yourself whether it will come first and seventh. So here they were not talking about any danger in this paragraph. I have read full paragraph. There is no danger kind of thing. In fact, I think robots on Earth a re-evaluation, because these things were predicted in past, and now these things are being revised. So revised means re-evaluation. So first we'll come with paragraph C. Okay, now D paragraph. Now a similar trend is also apparent in the field of space exploration. Now coming to space exploration again, tasks which were in the past entrusted only to machine are now performed by human beings, sometimes with the aim of using simpler and less costly devices, sometimes to obtain better performance. In case to involve a person in the control loop is a welcome mission without compromising safety. Many operations originally designed to be performed under completely automatic control can be performed more efficiently by astronauts, perhaps helped by their co-pilot. So last line, the human machine relationship which must evolve towards a closer calibration. So calibration kind of thing was here. See this. Possible examples of cooperation in space. Can we write it? No. A general consideration of human robot responsibility in space. Are they talking about this? A similar trend is also which are in the past entrusted to machine or performed by field of space exploration. Aim they are talking, and collaboration is also there. So here they are talking about machine also, they are talking about human being also. Relationship, closer calibration is there, but possible examples of cooperation in space is not there. Like cooperation, they are talking calibration and all, but in future kind of thing is not there. Just similar trend is also appearing in field of space exploration. Tasks which were in past, now they are doing it. They are talking about human being and this. So I will just mark it this 9th, but here 9th and this Fifth also, they are talking about human and robot responsibility in space also. So then after then I will just select one. Let's read another paragraph also, E paragraph. One way could happen, oh yes, one way could happen, one way this could happen is by adopting the Mars output approach. Could happen, definitely they are talking about future kind of. Proposed is also there by planetary society. This would involve sending a number of robotic research stations to Mars equipped with permanent communication navigational system. They would perform everywhere. Would, could and these things are there. It means they are talking about future kind of thing. It has been suggested also, it is given that in most different environments on Venus and all could be controlled by human beings located in spaceship. It means they are talking about possible examples of cooperation in space. So definitely I will mark E number is 9th and here it will come 5th number. Okay, so what I told you, possible examples of cooperation in space. So here it is clearly given. One way means example, maybe this could happen is by adopting the Mars outpost approach proposed by planetary society. This would involve sending a number of robotic research stations to Mars equipped with this and this. This would perform research, establish the infrastructure needed to prepare future and all. Mars by humans also it is given. Okay, so we have got correct answer for E number 9th number, and D number paragraph is 5th number. Now coming to F number paragraph, and from E paragraph last line is saying, in this case the link time for communication between humans and robots would be far less than it would be from Earth. Communication would be far means possible examples they are talking. Okay, now F number paragraph, let's read it. But if space is to be more than a place to build automatic laboratories or set up industrial enterprise in the vicinity of our planet, the presence of human is essential. They must learn how to voyage through space towards destinations which will be not only scientific basis but also places to live. Okay, but what we have left here, second is left, third we have already selected, fourth is left, I think. Yes, fourth is also left, and fifth we have selected. This also, seventh is left, and eighth is left. Space settlement and development of greater self and danger, this danger kind of thing. Okay, so let's read it. F paragraph, you can pause the screen. If space is to be more than a place to build automatic laboratory, of course you have to read it. They must learn how to voyage through space towards destinations which will not be scientific bases but also places to live. If space, okay, places to live, destination kind of thing they are talking, it means they are talking about settlements. That if the space is a frontier, then frontier must see the presence of people. So aim for humankind in the future will not just exploration of space but its colonization. Definitely talking about space settlement and development of greater self-awareness. Where it is, we have to read it for furthermore. The result of exploring and living in space may deep change in views which humankind has of itself. So self-awareness. Okay, and the images of Earth taken from Moon Apollo program have given humankind a new consciousness of its fragility and its smallness unity. These impressions have triggered a realization of the need to protect and preserve it. So here, and us is also given. More for it is the place in the solar system most suitable for us, and above it is only the place we have, at least for now. So now we have realized. So for this we have space settlement and the development of greater self-awareness. We can just mark it number 8th. So we have finished this list of headings.